Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I had some free time to talk about how students can earn online through content writing jobs, because I get this a lot on my channel and Facebook that people are asking me how they can earn online money by just writing different kind of content. So when I started my career, I actually had this content writing job on different platforms such as on Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour, and I was earning at around $500 to $1,000 a month, and this was just basic salary for a good content writer. So if your English is good enough and you think you have some 3 to 5 hours a day free from your schedule, then you can actually start writing content for different websites. And before we begin, I will request you to subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest updates on scholarships and online earning kind of stuff from my side and my team. So on my list, the first platform that is actually offering content writing jobs is freelancer.com. There are plenty of jobs available over there. What you have to do, you have to create an account over there, and then you don't have to pay any membership fee. So if anybody's asking you to pay something to start the content writing job for you, then I think that could be a scam. So for the content writing stuff, you just only need good English and internet access to find jobs and start working for different kind of people online. So for this, you can on the first one on my list was freelancer.com. The second one is upwork.com, and the third one is peopleperhour.com. And there is another one which is Fiverr.com. I'll leave the link of all these sites in the description of this video, where you can just go and register your account, log in, verify your email address, and insert your details and portfolio data. You can write some sample content and put it online so that your clients can actually view that content, and if they get impressed by that, then you will definitely get a job over there. And you can ask probably $3 to $5 per 500 words, and I think this is a decent amount of salary for a 500 word article. So if you can write about 1,500 to 2,000 words a day, then you can earn around $10 to $30 a day. So that will be a good salary for a content writer, for a part-time content writer, especially for the students who have a lot of time in the evenings. So the second thing is, if you don't want to work on these freelancing platforms, then you have the access to individual websites. You can check out the websites such as shebegin.com, affidavit.com, and just navigate to the careers section, and you'll find the content writing positions over there. So you can just write the content for them in different niches, and you'll get paid directly. So let's talk about how you will receive money in your country once you have completed the job. So what happens is that when you have completed the job, the buyer has paid you, then what you can do is you can add your bank account in the online system, or add your Western Union account information in the online website such as Freelancer, Upwork, or People Per Hour, and then these websites will disburse your payments on monthly or weekly basis directly to your bank account or by Western Union. So this is a very easy option for students, through which they can earn a handsome amount of money every month. So in my next video, I will talk about some other career options and part-time career options available for students. So I will also share my my own the payment disbursement from these websites when I was actually writing content for different kind of websites. But right now I'm doing different kind of other jobs which are paying even more than this. I can give you a rough guess. I'm earning around $5,000 to $15,000 a month these days, and this is not a full-time job that I'm doing. I'm doing a part-time job for different websites. So I'll actually uncover these websites and the way of business that I'm doing right now, so you can get benefit from it too. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are actually looking for jobs online. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in another video.